this is my first and last warning. No cellphone during duties. We need patrol. Pagka nahuli ka namin ng cellphone, there will be no forgiveness. Very strict kami dyan. Gusto namin duty. Pag-patrol.
BTV Rewind.
Hindi na po paramihan ng huli ngayon ang PNP. It's more kung ano talaga ang meron sa inyo.